Hey CONEXPO, welcome to the Bobcat booth. Hope everybody's enjoying the show. A lot of good energy out there today, and we're excited you're taking the next 10 minutes and hanging out with me. So what I want you guys to know is that we at Bobcat are focused on connecting our machines to help you, our customers, better understand the health and security of your machines. With connected machines, if the vitals on your machines don't look right, we want to reach out to you. We want to send you information that's easy to understand what's happening on the machine. We've been the innovation leader in compact equipment for 60 years, and now we're here to reinvent the compact industry again, and this time we're doing it with data and information. We know that you expect a high level of service from your Bobcat dealers, and it's expected. It's not optional. And because it's not optional, that's why we've connected all of our core products with telematics as standard equipment. All of our core products standard with telematics. That's important because it gives your Bobcat dealer a chance to really provide you a higher level of service and help you navigate both planned and unplanned maintenance issues. Now, you have so many important things going on each and every day on your job site. Wouldn't it be great if your machine could talk to you and your machine could tell you and warn you of any potential health issues or maybe of any funny business security issues that are going on the job site? Well, now it can with Machine IQ. So stick with me for a few minutes. I want to walk you through some of the really cool benefits that we're working on and delivering to you. The first opportunity we have to help make servicing your machine easier for you is through planned maintenance. We know that everyone's busy, and we've all been there, right? You're leaving sticky notes around the machine to try to figure out when is that machine due for service versus that machine versus that machine. Right? And maybe you're setting a reminder on your phone or you're keeping a little journal. Well, no more. You don't have to worry about it. Machine IQ is going to remind you by sending you maintenance reminders 40 hours prior to when your machine is due for service. So here's how it works. Let's pretend your machine's due for service at 500 hours. At 460 hours, Machine IQ will send you a note, a reminder email, letting you know that that machine is due for service. Now, the great part is that maintenance reminder is going to include some really good information to help you perform the service if you choose. If you'd like your dealer to do it for you, there's a quick link in that email that's going to help you quickly reach out to your dealer and schedule service. Again, if you'd like to perform it on your own, this email is going to provide you with a list of parts and fluids for that maintenance interval, along with a quick link to quickly order those parts online and have them delivered directly to your door, along with a set of instructions, step-by-step instructions that'll help you perform the maintenance if you so choose. Machine IQ makes planned maintenance one less thing that you guys need to worry about. The second opportunity we have to make servicing your machine easier is by helping you navigate unplanned maintenance issues. Now, I assume a lot of you have experienced an issue in some sort of machine that you were operating at some point in your past. And we've all been there, right? You're in the machine, and maybe there's a sound or an abnormal vibration, right? And you hear this ding, ding sound, like something's wrong. And then up pops this magic red light. And you're asking yourself, okay, what's wrong with my machine? And sometimes you might get some sort of confusing, a lot of manufacturers call it a DTC code or a fault code, right? But you're asking yourself, what does this really mean? And can I continue operating, or do I need to stop what I'm doing right now because I might cause significant harm to the machine? Okay, the good news is that Machine IQ is here to help translate what your machine is telling you by helping you better understand fault codes. So we are committed to no longer providing you with confusing fault codes that only mean something to a highly trained, let's say, diesel mechanic or a highly trained engineer. We want to bring it down to layman terms. We want to help you, all of our customers, understand what's actually happening on the machine. Because we believe if we provide you that information, it can help you avoid downtime. So in these alerts that we're sending you, we're going to provide you with a description of what's happening on the machine, along with some basic troubleshooting steps that you can check to hopefully avoid downtime and keep running. Now, don't forget, your dealer's still got your back. Your Bobcat dealer's there, so within that email, there's a hot link to quickly give them a call, and they'll come out to the job site and help you if you so desire. Our goal is to help you maximize your uptime on your equipment, and unplanned maintenance issues are unfortunate. We know they happen, and we want to help you better navigate those issues. Okay, let's talk about security. So the security of your machine is, of course, important to you, which means it's important to us. Now, unfortunately, theft is all too common on the job site, right? And since we're talking about compact equipment, it's easy to move, which means it could be a high target for theft. Well, Machine IQ is here to bring you peace of mind on your Bobcat loaders and your Bobcat excavators to make sure that you understand that your machine is where it's supposed to be and if it's operating after hours. I'll get to that in a second. So this peace of mind is going to be brought to you through 2 security features. The first is called a geofence. And a geofence allows you to set an invisible boundary around your job site. And if your machine moves outside of that boundary, whether on a trailer or just operating on its own, you'll receive an email alert. And that email alert is intended to let you know that something's happening. Your equipment is moving outside of the job site, allowing you to check, hey, is it going somewhere I approve of, or do I need to contact local authorities to recover this stolen machine? The second feature that we're bringing to you is called a curfew. Just like a teenager, your machines sometimes need a curfew to make sure they're not playing after hours. Machine IQ now allows you to set working time and non-working time. So let's pretend that you set your working time to, let's say, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And if your machine starts after 10 p.m., so let's say at 1 a.m., someone starts the engine of your machine, you'll now receive an alert notifying you that, hey, something's going on, right? You said that nobody's supposed to be on your job site operating your equipment this late in the night. Something's going on. So again, 2 features helping to bring you peace of mind to make sure that your equipment is where it is and is operating only when it's supposed to operate. Okay, we also have 2 features for those of you that manage more than a couple of pieces of equipment, maybe a larger fleet. Now, we know that an important element to running any business is tracking cost. And for those of you on the job site, fuel is an important cost element, right? So wouldn't it be cool if you could receive a report that shows you how much fuel you've used each day, each week, each month on each machine within your fleet? Well, now you can. Machine IQ has reports and insights to help you understand how much fuel each machine has been using. We not only allow you to track fuel cost, but we're allowing you to track both idle time and run time on each equipment, or each piece of machine. What this allows you to do is identify areas of too much idle, over-idling, right? We know this is a common theme on a job site. You have some operators that just continue to let the machine sit in idle mode, burning fuel. So it provides you with the right information so that you can reach out to your contractors or reach out to your operators and have the conversation to say, hey, why are we idling so much? And maybe identify an opportunity to reduce fuel costs. These reports and insights are here to help you better understand how your Bobcat loaders and excavators are performing on the job site. The second feature that I have for those of you that manage a large fleet of equipment, maybe it's multi-branded. We know that sometimes you own more than Bobcat equipment, and we want to help you. And the feedback we've gotten from you is that, Mike, you're saying, Mike, I don't want to go to 4 or 5 different websites to monitor my large fleet. I just want to go to one single place. And so there's these third-party companies out there, software companies, that have built a single portal, a single interface for you to pull in machine data from all different types of OEMs so you can manage it on a single screen. So we bring you data integration. And data integration allows you to take data directly from a Bobcat machine and plumb it essentially directly into the system of your choice so that you can work with your Bobcat data in a system of your choosing. It's your data. We want to make sure you have access to it. The good news is that our data integration follows 2 industry standards, both the AEMP standard and the ISO standard. Now, what does this mean? It means that the data that comes off of the Bobcat machine, when it's pulled off the machine and sent to you, is going to be in the same format, the same calculated format that you would get from any other OEM. This ensures that you can easily work with Bobcat data, and it's not tricky or confusing to work with it. Our goal is to make sure that your machine data is available for you to integrate into a business system of your choice. In closing, as we move forward, we're focused on helping you accomplish more. That is our goal, and we're committed to continue to evolve Machine IQ to help you navigate some of those unplanned, unfortunate issues. We're also going to make sure that you have a peace of mind through these security features, that you make sure your machines are where they're at and operating at the times you choose. We know that for you to accomplish more, you need a healthy and productive and secure machine. You can access all of the great features I just talked about at the Bobcat Owner Portal by going to my.bobcat.com. I encourage all of you to go out and get signed up and start enjoying these benefits. Please know that Bobcat is committed to advancing the compact industry through innovation and technology. Machine IQ is just one of the exciting technologies we're bringing to the job site near you. Please stop back at the innovation booth towards the back and talk to us about some of the other cool innovations that we're bringing to the job site. Thanks for your time, guys. Enjoy the show.